Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on vintage rugs, also known as distressed rugs. Now, vintage rugs are relatively new in today's rug market, and they're generally made through a vintage wash where acid is applied on an antique rug. And what that achieves is a little bit more of a softer tone as the colors get stripped away, and it applies a little bit more of a distressed feel to the rug as the acid kind of eats away at the surface of the pile to give it kind of more of a worn look to the rug. And these have become extremely trendy in today's modern decor because a lot of antique traditional rugs, unfortunately, are a little bit too heavy in the rug tones. And when you have a vintage rug that goes through a vintage wash, the colors generally brighten up and they'll also become a little bit more pastel to be able to match today's home decor. So when you take a look at this antique Persian Bariz rug that has gone through a vintage wash, from before, the background used to have more of a brown rust tone. The border had more of a navy tone. And now the border has more of like a lighter blue, baby blue tone, with the background having more coral tones. So these type of color combinations you'll see are much more compatible with today's modern decor, as they provide kind of a new type of hip vintage feel that would be more compatible to homes of today. So another type of vintage rug that I have here is called an overdyed rug. And these are really unique because what they do is that they'll take a specific dye and just wash this entire rug with that specific dye here. And as you can see, the dye used in this rug is pink. And again, the entire premise of using these type of vibrant dyes is to be able to freshen up the antique rugs that are unfortunately a little bit out of date when it comes to today's decor, and to be able to liven these antique rugs up to apply them in today's modern decor and modern homes. So a specific topic of controversy is the use of acid within the vintage wash process. In the past, what used to happen was that vintage rug producers would use too much acid onto rugs, and what would happen was that they'd sell these rugs to local retailers, and then retailers would present them to clients and put them in their homes, and there would be such a strong stench of these rugs where it was just not feasible to be able to sell these rugs to the general public. Over time, through trial and error, what happened was that vintage rug producers learned to calibrate the use of acid to the point where now it is actually healthy and feasible to be able to sell to the general public at this point. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog at rouzatirugs.com, where we share a lot of great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.